Hey, this is Will at Barbell Cooking. Every year in Spokane they have an event called Pigout in the Park, where a lot of local restaurants put up booths down in Riverfront Park and just basically ply their wares, some special dishes that you get to try, usually for cheap. I lifted this morning and I'm hungry, so I'm looking for a big, massive amount of protein. So let's see what this place has got to offer. I doubt that. That looks amazing, but I think too many carbs. Okay, so I feel like at this point we should be defining goals. I don't want a ton of carbs. I want some meat and possibly some vegetables, and I'm willing to tolerate some carbs if not too much. But that's just where I'm at right now. So the curly fries, although they sound really good, they're out. The gyros sandwich looks good. I saw that sushi burrito back there, but quite honestly, that scares me a little. We'll keep looking. Okay, so I obviously opted for the diner, and I'm not sure how I'm going to get my mouth around this. And I've already gotten sauce all over my GoPro handle here, so we'll see how this goes. I'll just get it from the end. I can get behind this. I figured there's probably 20 to 30 grams, probably closer to 30 grams of protein in this. So this should do me up just right. So the meat's good. It's not layered cuts of steak or meat on a spit as you would see in Europe oftentimes. This is more like compressed, almost like a lunch meat. But the bread that they use here, this sandwich, I don't know if it's like a pita or whatever, but they crisp it up. It's really good, which is unusual. You don't see that very often. You get a gyros place or something, depending upon where you go. They buy the gyros out of the grocery store from a large food vendor, and they taste like library paste. This is good. I can get behind this. That was a damn good sandwich. Now let's take a little walk and get something to wash it down. This is Stout. She's a metalhead too.
What am I supposed to say again? What are you having?
I'll have a something good pale ale, please.
You want a big one?
I do want the big one.
All right.
Aye, it be a thing of beauty, it is.
Or I'll give you two.
And yeah, I do have some Irish in me, so don't give me any shit. So all in all, the trip downtown was worth it. There were some solid options in there, but usually very carb heavy, and I didn't see a lot of things with vegetables other than maybe some Asian options. But the Döner sandwich was good, and I apologize to my German friends if I'm murdering that. Gyros looks good. There were a couple other meat options in there that look pretty good. Maybe I'll give them a try here over the next couple of days, but yeah, it was worth it. That Döner sandwich was damn good. I really enjoyed it. Anyway, I'll see you next time on Barbell Cooking.